Are you wanting to make a full-time income online? Well, here's how to create full-time income faster and easier, even if you've never done anything online before. Stick with me, and I'll share in detail how you can make a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making a full-time income online almost since the start of the internet. I invite you to copy what I do. Almost anyone can do this. It's actually simple. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So whatever your reason for wanting to create an income online, whether it be replacing a job, worrying about, or already being a victim of the government shutdown here in the U.S., or like me, wanting the luxury of both time and money freedom by being your own boss, here is what I recommend. It's what I do. It's what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer and never worry about money. And like I said, once you get everything set up, and I will help you with that, it only takes minutes a day. It's a simple affiliate marketing home business. Almost anyone can do this. No previous experience or skills are needed. Everyday people around the world are copying what we do and enjoying success. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. It's my favorite way to make money online. With the right affiliate opportunity and the right marketing system, it can be really simple, take minimal time, and create both big daily income and long-term passive income too. This passive income is money that keeps coming in month after month from the sales you make each day. Imagine still getting paid months from now for what you do today. It's a big part of creating a full-time income online, and it's how I create that time freedom I mentioned too. Our affiliate business is unique. We promote 4 high-demand digital products that range in price from $10 to $1,000. The company pays us big 80% commissions. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale, and also that passive income I mentioned. You'll get your own high-converting marketing system to leverage your time and automate your business. Everything you need for success is included. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails. You won't need to create anything. The techie stuff is all done for you. To help you have this success, you will receive the best training in the home business industry. We have a detailed training website with dozens of how-to videos. You will learn everything from how to get started fast to free marketing strategies to make more sales. Again, even if you have no previous experience. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell anytime you need help. I'll share everything that's working so well for us and our team and how it can do the same for you too. Many new people make money their very first day. To learn more about creating a full-time income online, working just minutes a day, and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.